am unboxing this Angela Pan Mossery Art Kit. Got it online. I'm a big fan of Angela Pan's. I just recently started following her, and so when I saw that she was doing this art box with like all this tutorial stuff in there about markers, of course I had to get it. So I'm just going to give my first impressions, and then I'm going to run away. This is a little bit already open because my partner started to open it, and so I was like, wait, I have to do an unboxing video. So, I forgot to say, I do love this art that's all over it. It's so pretty and just, like, it's such lovely artwork. All the little details, the flowers. I do like this box. It's a very nice box. Oops. Trying to be as gentle as possible. Maybe it will let me be gentle. Okay. Cute little drawing. Aww. This would make a really great bookmark. I really love the art. It's so cute. Look at all the detail. Oh, I didn't know it had this little bag. I saw some of the things that it comes with, obviously. But I don't know everything that it has. Because I try not to look too closely because I wanted to be surprised. Got a little smiley face bag with the texture. It's a good pattern. Oh, ooh. There's pretty. Oh man. Got some, ooh, I like this color. It's a nice like minty sort of green. It's good because the washi tape that I've been using has been ripping up my pages. So probably good to have, like, probably better than what I got from Scotch tape. Other brands are available. Fancy eraser. I've got a pencil. I've got a Micron 01. Let's see, there's another little guy in here. Oh, there's a... Let's see, a color chart? Oh, they're individual. I thought it was a pack. It is not a pack. It's all out. Let me just whoosh over here. Whoosh. So we got a color chart. Oh, it comes with the labels because it's the Japanese versions don't have their colors on them. So it comes with the labels. How cool is that? That's such a nice touch that they thought ahead to that. So I already have all of these markers. So I might be maybe trying to give these away for anyone who wants them. I'll figure that out later though. But mostly I just don't want good art supplies. It probably wouldn't go to waste. I'd probably end up using up my markers and using them eventually, but don't like good art supplies to go to waste. So I might be giving these guys away. So back to this. I do kind of wish it had been a little bit less plastic. So there's a lot of plastic here and more plastic here. So this is the practice workbook, which again, more plastic. Struggle complete. It's got an interesting back. I wonder if it does what I think. Yeah. Okay, so it's got like that so you can easily open it. It's got a little file folder in here. Oh, got your swatch and your color mixing. So these are all like blocked out so you can put your palette here and then you can color them in to be able to practice just the painting part without having to worry about the drawing. So I'm looking forward to this quite a bit. I'm very excited. So this is the guidebook it comes with. I'm gonna be super into this later. Oh, another smiley face. Little postcards, oh cute. It's all cute, cute, cute. Ooh, some good art prints. Heck yeah. These are gonna go right up on my wall. Here's the cover. So they have like, Mossery has this thing where they make refillable notebooks. So they make the really cool empty notebook for you. And then they give you pages to fill up on. So yeah, here's the pages. So you can see the pages notebook goes in like that. And then you can flip it open. These are triple coated papers, which are the best thing for Posca markers. So that's a trick I see a lot of people see is, you know, Posca markers eat their markers, etc., etc. And you really got to be using double or triple coated paper, or even just coated with gesso. Oh, this is so soft. It's like velvety. I'm surprised to see that I don't think it came with pages for this guy. I'm really excited. I think that this is a really great little kit. Alrighty, I think I'll leave it at that and have a D&D game in about 6 minutes, so I'm gonna clean up really quickly. Goodbye!